I have to apologize that I was so lazy in preparing for the English narration of the Island Shangri-La afternoon tea. So lazy to an extent that a Conquered edition in my last video was no longer available. And that's why I'm not just recycling the old clips of my last video when preparing for the English version. I'm taking you to the hotel again, and this time they're serving you with the Mai Tai edition. As the name suggests, the Mai Tai edition is afternoon tea in Thai style. It reminds me of the Thai food that I've enjoyed in the Bangkok Shangri-La hotel, but let me tell you, you should really try the beautiful food there once travel restrictions are lifted in Bangkok, because, to be honest, this is nowhere near. First of all, let's see the pandan and plain scones. The aroma of pandan in the scone is really enticing, but I was a bit disappointed that it was not warm or soft enough. While the original one does not disappoint though. And let's see the savory ones. We have the rice paper with crab meat and Thai egg net wrap. Not bad for an afternoon tea set, but again, think about Bangkok Shangri-La. Same applies to the fish cake and seasoned pork on pineapple. And now, the pork satay, pandan leaf chicken, and minced shrimp on lemongrass steak. All of them are fine, but I like the crispy pandan leaf chicken the most. Last but not least, the sweet ones. We have the sticky rice with mango, coconut milk pudding with sweet corn, young coconut jelly with seasonal berries, they forgot to send me the spoons, and lemongrass and lime macaron. Not bad. For tea, I've chosen Darjeeling this time. I've also ordered coffee separately. One thing I like the most is the fluffy hot milk. It's all worth it. Well, I have to say the Mai Tai edition is a disappointment when compared to the Conquered edition, but it makes me miss Bangkok Shangri-La more. Is this a good thing?